What's up, guys?
I'm Austin.
And I'm Asia.
Welcome back to the channel. Woo!
Today is day 3 that we've been in Portland. It is October 29th.
Tuesday.
Today we are, where are we going?
We're going to the Pittock mansion. I think that's how you say it. I'll throw a picture up so you can see what it is and how to spell it. So that is on the plan for today.
What is that? Explain to them what it is.
I don't really even know what it is. It's just like a mansion. I'll throw up something so you guys can read about it, because I don't really know. I just thought it was cool. So we are gonna do that today with Asia's sister.
She's gonna be on her way here in about 20 minutes, she said.
So we're gonna be doing that, and if anything happens in between, we'll fill you guys in.
Yep.
Whoop.
Okay, also I just wanted to pop on here and say that we also didn't film much yesterday, which was Monday. All we filmed was the beach, but that was because we went to the beach and then we immediately just came back home.
Well,
we had dinner.
Not immediately. We went to Cannon Beach. It's kind of like this little town by the beach, and we just did some walking around and shopping. Again, we're just really just trying to take it all in. I don't want to live my life by thinking, wow, how can I vlog this, or how can I fit this in a vlog? Like, well, I just want to experience it for myself, and it was fun to experience. So if we do think it is interesting enough to vlog, then we will definitely vlog it. But for the most part, we're just walking around and shopping, and that's it.
Yeah, so we didn't think that it was like good enough content, I guess, to put in here. Something that wouldn't be very interesting to see. So I guess, yeah, we just wanted to fill you in as to why we're not really vlogging that much. Yeah, we'll catch you guys at the mansion.
We only lived here for 5 years in this huge house that they built.
Like I said, they did do it last year, so it's not a guarantee. But they've come different places.
Like people want to do it for like.
Yeah, because you see our parking lot, how small it is. It doesn't hold very much. And the holidays we get, especially Christmas, we get so busy. So if you want to come up and all.
Oh wait, I can take that paper now if you need me to. Thank you. No, yeah, that's crazy.
Wow, that harp is so pretty.
Do you know what the P's are? No.
The P? Yeah, it's like a...
Yeah.
Oh, so everything.
With the P on it is original.
That's crazy to like have.
And
can I touch it?
probably not.
Touch it? That's back in like 1800s? 1900s. This is the dining room.
One of the dining rooms. There's another one. I already kind of walked through the upstairs, sorry. I got really excited.
Yeah, you didn't even like look at anything. You just ran through it.
I took pictures and looked at everything. I was reading the signs.
Feel that. In the 1800s. That was amazing.
And I'll be the first to say, I got a really weird feeling in here.
Why?
Not in this room, but in another room. I got a really spiritual feeling, you know what I mean?
So this is...
I have to open doors because I really want to see what's in that.
The kitchen.
Look at that stove top. That is so cool.
That is very cool.
Touching history.
Oh, that's the original floor?
What? That is crazy.
They did a pretty good job replicating that. Ew, yeah, it's like dark in here.
Yeah, this is where I got that weird feeling. Shit's haunted.
That shit's on. So the fridge. What?
Like the whole room.
The whole what?
The whole room.
Right here wasn't.
I think.
At first they relied on the call box, which rang a bell and pointed an arrow to identify the room where assistance was needed.
Oh, what?
The intercom system replaced it. First would just point the arrow, but then they could eventually call. Service. Mr. Pittock.
I wonder if it'll focus on there.
This room was built on because they thought the cure for tuberculosis was fresh air and sunshine.
So this one was added on, you said?
The sleeping, the soft sleeping.
Yeah, they thought that fresh air and sunshine is what cured tuberculosis. So you would be in here. Henry Pittock was originally from London. It's two out here when we go outside, I think. Sad.
Would you use this
Jason and I
shit?
were together and she passed away. I was not when I had kids.
In there. And when they finally decided to make it more original, they actually put his real bed in here.
Oh, that's so crazy.
I didn't even know
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for a while, when they first opened this museum, they used that bed because it was prettier. But then they decided
This is cooler.
Yeah.
Original's always cooler.
Also, did you guys read this? They spent $190,000 to $350,000 building this mansion. Today, that would be like $8 million.
That's crazy
for what
to
the
think
value
about.
of money was at the time.
Right.
Holy.
This is so cool. I feel like it'd be really dark in there.
Isn't there a light up there? Man needs his feet cleaned.
Yeah, it was typical for wealthy people
Oh,
to
yeah.
have a suite with separate bedrooms.
It was. So this was their entrance. The spare room. This was the social room and extra space.